When I started selling a digital product, which is a digital marketing course, it wasn't as robust as it is now. I mean, within a 6-month span, it has evolved in ways that only businesses wish that they could evolve. And that's all because of my mentor, the person that I chose to purchase the digital marketing course from. She is a forward thinker. She is an out of the box thinker. She is innovative, which are some of the reasons why I connected with her because I encompass and embody those same characteristics. So when I purchased from her, it was called the Roadmap. And Roadmap, it has 36 um 36 like components to it with all these videos that you can learn from and earn from because you can turn around and resell it for the same amount that you purchased it for. Well, since the time that I purchased this digital marketing course, which is amazing, from my mentor, it has evolved. And let me tell you how it has evolved. It has evolved in the way that it always came with a community, but the community is called Digital Profits U. It's DPU. We meet one time per week, and I am telling you, the community is priceless. We are getting master level information. It's unscripted. You just come with whatever kind of questions you have, and anything that we've ever asked in the meetings that I've been in, which I typically try to go every single week. My mentor, she has an answer, and it is master level answers. So what I'm telling you is that it's not oversaturated. It's growing, but it's not oversaturated. Your question will be answered, your voice will be heard, and you will receive any kind of assistance that you need. We have Digital Profits U, which is a community. Within DPU community, there is the Resellers Gold Mine, which is a gold mine for teaching you how to resell the course. We have DPU Momentum Mentor, which is a chat GPT bot that is focused on you and selling your digital marketing course. Come on, y'all. You have community cash flow. Community cash flow is teaching you how to, it's a community. It's just a whole bunch of information about cash flow, video storytelling framework. So it helps you to be able to tell your story to attract your people to sell your course. Passive income with AI, with artificial intelligence. Come on. When I tell you the information that we're getting, it is right now information. It is fresh off the press. It is information that when we leave the meetings that we meet at once a week, when we leave the community meetings, I'm telling you, you've been on fire. You're just ready to go out and make content, which is really kind of one of your main jobs is making content. You have to make content to be able to sell the course. So I'm Coach TamaraDarice, by the way. And once when I purchased the digital marketing course, I called it Transform 180 with Digital Product Marketing. And so being a part of Transform 180 with Digital Product Marketing, not only do you get the digital marketing course, you become a part of the community until you're no longer until you decide to no longer be a part of the community. with no extra cost to you. You get all of that, all of everything I just said named, plus so much more that I haven't even called up. And there's always new things coming out. Someone said in our meeting this past week that we were spoiled, and oh my goodness, we are spoiled. When I say I chose the right person to purchase from, I'm telling you, discernment had to be been working in my favor because I chose the right person to link up with, the right person to help me to learn digital marketing, to help me to learn how to sell online, to help me to learn how to do this thing, to have a business on social media. Having a business on social media is totally different than starting a brick and mortar. It's totally different than starting like a hair braiding business or starting other kind of businesses. Social media is its own component, and you absolutely have to learn social media to be successful on social media. It's not something that you can fake it till you make it. You have to learn social media. And this digital marketing course teaches you social media. It teaches you digital marketing. Anything that anybody's selling on social media or even from a brick and mortar, they need marketing. They need marketing. And the way the world is going right now, digital is the way. And so what I am telling you is that this course is amazing. You cannot go wrong purchasing this course. You can sell the course for $599. I currently have it on sale for $500. So you better get it while you can. The first time you sell it, if you sold it for $599, you'll make 500 and you'll recoup the $500 that you spent to purchase the course. The money, it all belongs to you. I don't get anything from what you make. This is not an affiliate program. This is a course that you buy. You have master resale rights to resell it right away. Right away. Once you get your sales system set up, your sales funnel, get your payment system set up, because you want to be able to allow people to pay you and start learning how to run your business on social media. The course, it teaches you how to do YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. What? Oh, so it's just chunked full of information. Most of the things that you could think about for social media is going to be in this course. Search engine optimization. There's a section on Google that teaches you about your payment processor system. I'm looking at it over here. Um, how to connect your payment processor, stand store setup, beacon setup. Let's see, set your daily non-negotiables, create, promote, repeat. Come on, y'all. Passive income with AI, chat GPT profile settings. Come on, just go for it, y'all. It is golden. I'm Coach TamaraDarice. You'll find a link below that gives you information of where to go to purchase or where to go to learn more information about this amazing digital marketing product, which is a digital marketing course. I always say if you're already selling a low ticket digital marketing product, you might as well sell a mid ticket product because you're already making content. Why not go ahead and make content for your mid-ticket offer? Just imagine if you made $5.99 every day. If you made $5.99 three times a week. If you made $5.99 five times a week. If you made $5.99 one every day for the whole year, 365 days. Just imagine how that would change your life. Even if you only sold the course one time a week. Listen, this is a business opportunity that you can get started right away, and you can run this business alongside your full-time 9 to 5. Or if you're looking to replace your 9 to 5, you can make this business make more money than you probably were making in your 9 to 5. And if you're anything like me, your position was eliminated, you have not found a job to replace that income. So you all of a sudden become an entrepreneur, and you're doing this because you believe in yourself. You have confidence in yourself. You know that you know that you know that you can help other people to start a business to bring money into their homes. I'm Coach TamaraDarice. You'll find the link down below. Let me know if you have any questions. You cannot beat this. We are looking to do business with you. We're not just selling you something and sending you on your way to figure it out. We want to do business with you. And I totally forgot to mention that there is a bonus that I offer. It is a one-on-one business strategy coaching session with me, Coach TamaraDarice, where we will get together and strategize your business. Blessings.